Set is a data structure that preserves uniqueness of elements in the data structure. In C++, we have two kinds of sets. Let's take a look at them one by one. The first one is the unordered set. In unordered set, how it works under the hood. An unordered set implements a hash table, and since it implements hash table, the operations have on average constant time complexity for adding, removing, and so on to the hash set, the unordered hash set. On average, the complexity is constant. But in worst case scenario, if we have too many collisions, in that case we have our time complexity increases, and in the worst case scenario we have of n time complexity. So for example, in this case, what we do here, we are creating an ordered set, and let's call it hash set, and we are adding elements. So we are adding 30, we are adding 10, we're adding 20, and the next one, when we are adding 30, since the 30 is already exist, and by definition hash set should preserve the uniqueness, the second 30 won't be added. That's the first one. What are the other type of hash set we have? The other one is that the ordered hash set. So for the ordered hash set, it works the same as the unordered hash set, but with the one difference is that in this case it also preserves the uniqueness, but the difference is that in the ordered hash set, elements are ordered in ascending order. So for example, in this case we are again adding 30, we are adding 10, 20, and the next one we are adding 30. The uniqueness will be preserved, and also elements will be sorted in the ascending order. So how it works under the hood? Unordered set implements binary search tree, and more specifically it implements red-black tree, and the elements are sorted. And also, since it implements a red-black tree, binary search tree, the operations have a log n time complexity. So for example, in this case, if we run these two code, right? If we run these two sets, the first one is that the elements are not sorted, unordered set elements, they are not sorted. And for the ordered set, elements are sorted in the ascending order.